Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can use BSCSCAN to find log liquidity pool for any token on the Binance Smart Chain protocol. So in this tutorial I will pick two tokens. First one is SHIB token. So you can go to the search box and type any token that you want. So click here, scroll down to holders, scroll down to pancakeswap v2, scroll down to filtered by token holder, click, go to tracker pancake LPs, click, scroll down to holders tab, and you can see here the smart contract address, here the icon, and you can see the percentage of the log liquidity pool, which is 98.74. You need to click the address, scroll down, filtered by token holder, click, scroll down and go to contract tabs, click read contract, scroll down, and you will find the release time of the contract. So you can copy this, go to epoch converter, click, and you can paste the value here, click timestamp. So the contract will be released in 13 days. So we can go to the second example, Thorium. So Thorium token, click here, scroll down to the holders tab, scroll down until you find the pancakeswap v2, scroll down to the filtered by token holder, go to tracker, click pancake LPs, scroll down to the holders, and you can see here the smart contract. There's two smart contract here, and you can pick the highest one. This is the log liquidity pool for this token. So if you click here, filtered by token holder, and you can go to the contract. So this token did not verify yet and publish on this website. You can click here. So there's a lot of activities here. Unlock token, unlock token, unlock token. Only can find the information in the transaction details. The last one it is 21 hours ago. So if you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe to this channel.